Hey there! Today I'm spending the day working on the trailer, cleaning it, fixing it, preparing it for a long weekend, next weekend. We're gonna go somewhere for 2 nights camping and overlanding. And I figured it's a good opportunity to show everyone one of the things that I've done to increase flat surfaces in our setup. And as many of you know, flat surfaces are a commodity as it helps you in many different ways, especially in the campground when you want to fix food, when you want to set up your environment in a way that it's easy to work with and easy to use. The setup that I have, in addition to the tailgate on my trailer and the tailgate on my truck and a camping table that we have, is something that I've installed on the side of the trailer, and this can be installed on the side of your rig or other areas within your setup. And I'll share with you what I did, how I did it, the parts I used, and how much it cost. So when I was thinking about flat surfaces, I was looking online and trying to find if there are any solutions that already exist. And I did find a bunch of different things. One solution, there's a contraption that you put on a wheel that creates a flat surface or a small table. Other things are things that you attach to the back of your hatch or your rear door or the side of your rig. All those are great, but they're pretty expensive. The cheapest useful thing I found is about 150 bucks, which is not the end of the world, but I figured there must be a simpler way, cheaper way, something that will work as good, if not better. And this is what I came up with. So I want to show you the result first, and then I'll walk back through how I did and what I did. Now, as you can see, this is I'm shaking the whole trailer by leaning on this. So each one of these brackets can support up to over 300 pounds. So this is very sturdy. The platform itself, the tabletop or the flat surface top, is simply a 1/2-inch plywood that I got from Home Depot and cut to size. The black surface is a truck bed spray that I sprayed on it just to keep it a bit more water resistant and a bit more durable. The way the top is attached to the bracket is with this 3-inch bolt. It's very simple. I just use a nut and a couple of washers. If I wouldn't be so lazy, I would go to Home Depot and get a butterfly nut, which is easier, but I tighten this by hand. I don't even use tools. But this is good enough to hold the platform in place. Now, these are the key for this whole setup. These are 16-inch long folding brackets. I think they're called A-frame brackets, and I'll include the links in the description. And you can see this folds down and it's hardly noticeable. It's not going to move during driving. Easy to fold back up, and the platform sits here. I have one on this side and one on the other side. Now, since my trailer is military camouflage colors, I got a couple of spray cans and just painted it in a way that it's a bit more blending in. But as you can see, easy to use, easy to fold out, easy to pose it. I've used this setup for the last 3 or 4 trips we went on. So all in all, probably in terms of nights, maybe 9 to 10 nights. And it's really a lifesaver. It creates a very large flat surface. I put a 7-gallon water tank so we can wash hands, wash dishes. I have the gas burner sitting here, plates, knives, whatever we need. And it's really cool. I'm actually thinking about installing another one on the other side to create even more flat surfaces. So this is it. A real simple setup, works extremely well, much less expensive than those solutions that you can find online. I think that all in all I spent maybe 30-40 bucks. I'll post the information in the description, but it's very inexpensive. And please click the subscribe button so you'll get notified when I post new videos.